Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage M2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the back button. Once you open the menu, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Now find the settings icon, and once you select it, press the middle button to enter. Here select the general settings and press the middle button, then scroll all the way down, find the option called about your watch and press the middle button to enter. And here scroll down, find the option called shutdown. It's this icon. Once you select it, press the middle button to enter and then press the middle button to confirm. And after a couple of seconds the watch should turn off. Like this. And that's how you turn off this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.